Welcome to Textile Technology Channel. Knit loop formation. At first, needle ascent to clearing position. Then slowly follows the cam pattern path. When needle reach at the middle of the cam path, guide bar feeding the yarn to the needle. Needle knock down the yarn to form new loops. Tuck loop formation. Needle starts to ascend. Needle ascent stopped short of clearing position. When guide bars feed the yarn needle, descending the loop. Needle again, ascend to clearing position. Again yarn feeding by the guide bars. Then needle knock over the yarn to form new loops. Here, yellow color loop called tuck loop, and green color called held loop. This knit formation cycle, running continuously to form weft-knitted loops. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.